Hi, this is Sean with ApplianceRepair.com. Today I'm going to show you how to change the seal in a GE dishwasher pump. First, before you replace the pump seal, determine if it is bad or not. If the pump seal is bad, water will leak from the pump right where the motor shaft enters the pump. Loosen this screw clamp on the back side of the pump. Now loosen this clamp that holds the pump to the tub. There will also be a screw in the front that holds the motor in place. Remove it. Remove any other hoses that may be attached to the pump, and then the pump should come off. Note that all GE dishwasher pumps don't look the same. They've changed over the years, but the procedure for changing the pump seal has always been the same, and you use the very same pump seal. These are some examples of two different pumps. Insert a screwdriver into the back of the motor so that it cannot turn. With the screwdriver still in the back of the pump, unscrew the blade. Now, using something flat like a file, unscrew this cover. Note that it is left-hand threads. Now remove these two washers. Now insert the screwdriver back into the motor and unscrew the impeller. Now separate the pump from the motor by removing the three screws that hold the pump on. Once the screws are out, you should be able to separate the motor from the pump. If the pump seal has been leaking for a while, this shaft will be rusty. You're going to want to take some emery cloth and clean it off. Now press out the seal from the pump. Notice that each time I took a part off the pump, I placed it on the table in the same direction it was facing on the pump, in the same order. This way, when I put the pump back together, I know which order and which directions each part faces. Now take the new seal and press it into the pump. Make sure it's seated down good and tight. Now reattach the pump to the motor. Now, by looking at the parts on the table, we know the impeller goes on next. You're going to have to hold the motor with the screwdriver as we done before. Don't over tighten it. Just make sure it's good and snug. Now insert the metal bearing and the plastic. Remember, it's left-hand thread. Now reinstall the blade and you should be done.